am Teresa Horak from LoAllay here at McMaster Innovation Park, and this is how we innovate. So LoAllay started 4 years ago, myself and a bookkeeper, and we wanted to change the way that entrepreneurs operate by giving them full back office support. 4 years later, we're now a team of 22 strong business operations support specialists, and we've got 6 distinct divisions here at LoAllay. I'd love to show you. So first, we have got our administrative support team. This is Sanella and Yamisi, and they take care of anything that you need. They can do research, they can even send your mail. We receive mail for clients, we answer phones, we are the back office support for any small to medium-sized business. Next up, we have got Michelle. So Michelle is part of our digital marketing team, and she takes care of all the branding needs, websites, social media, logos, you name it, Michelle can do it. Next cubicle, we have got Roman Horak. He is our Chief Technical Officer, and he is in our IT division. So IT, a lot of the work that we do, a lot of the IT support we do is done off-site, so it's done remote. I think 95% of the work that we do is remote. But Roman is also the architect behind a lot of IT technology and structure, right? Like even anything from software integration. We are working on a smart retirement home at the moment, and Roman is doing the entire networking, the entire IT infrastructure for a 4-story smart retirement home. Thanks, Roman. Next up, and this is our business strategy division, the boardroom where a lot of innovation takes place. We really get into the nitty-gritty of business. We love solving problems, and we even do specialized brainstorming sessions to help unleash the brilliance of your team. Next up, this is our controllership and financial analysis team. We started off, like I mentioned, when we started, it was just myself and one bookkeeper, and now we've got an entire team of analysts, data capturers, subsidy specialists, and if I can introduce you, this is Tom. He manages the whole division, and he can do magic, right? He's basically an outsourced CFO, but brilliant at anything financial. Lastly, I'd love to show you our last initiative, which is the stationery exchange. So if you don't mind following me downstairs, let me show you what this is all about. So here we've got Prab. She's a summer student with us, and she's taken on this project, which was inspired by McMaster Innovation Park after they gave us this generous donation of office supplies, folders, staples, pens, everything. And what we do is we package this and we redistribute this to entrepreneurs and early stage startups who can't necessarily afford the expensive stationery, but there's a lot of big businesses out there that's got extra, extra everything. So thank you, MIP, for that. This is the last of our 6 core services, and we support businesses of all different shapes and sizes, everything from startups, early stage startups, entrepreneurs, small business. But because our team expanded, we also now support medium-sized businesses and even not-for-profits. Thank you so much for visiting us here at LoAllay today. We love innovating at McMaster Innovation Park. We really hope to see you soon. Bye.